Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all in your Secretariat Practice Class 12th Standard. Now today we are going to start the new heading from the lesson number 2. As you can see the slide, lesson number 2 is related to the sources of the corporate finance, where we have discussed about the sources of the company, on capital and borrowed capital. In the on capital we have discussed about the shares, preference share, types of share. Even we have discussed the small topic of the retained earning. Our previous video was related to the types of preference share. What is today's topic? Today's topic we are going to discuss about the retained earning in the detail. But we are not going to discuss about the determinants of the retained earning. Reason is that topic has been reduced from your syllabus. So we will complete the meaning of the retained earning, and determinants we will discuss by the self-study. On capital. Out of the sources of the financing, on capital is the one of the part where we discuss shares and retained earning both comes into the on capital. What do you mean by the retain? Retain means prevent or keep safe something. That means the profit, the dividend, whatever company earn the profit as the dividend, that should be distributed among the shareholder. So being a company, you have to take the wise decision to keep profit as the reserve fund for the future requirement. What is retained earning? The process of accumulated corporate profit and their utilization in business is called the retained earning. That means whatever the profit you earn as the company, that amount can be utilized for the business whenever you need the funding. In a simple word, a part of net profit which is not distributed to shareholder as dividend is retained by the company in the form of the reserve fund. That means whatever the amount you save from the net profit and you have not given that amount to the shareholder, that should be saved as the form of reserve fund in the company, and that process is called as the retained earning. The company converts its reserve into the bonus share and the capitalize the profit. That means the retained earning amounts can be utilized for what? To given as the bonus share to the equity shareholder, and the retained earning amount can be also utilized to recapitalize the company. This capitalization of profit by issue of the share is known as the ploughing back of profit or the self-financing. We already discussed about the retained earning, that retained earning comes into the self-financing, retained earning comes into the own capital, that means company's capital. So the retained earning amount can be utilized to given bonus share as the free of cost to the equity shareholder, and that process is called as the ploughing back of profit, or may be called as the self-financing. Bonus shares are issued at free of cost to whom? To the equity shareholder out of retained earnings. Next paragraph. Business organizations are subject to variation in earning. We already know that business organizations earning are not fixed. It may be a change in the earning year by year or time by time. That means variations is compulsory in business organizations earning. It would be a wise decision to keep aside a part of earning during a period of high profit. So whenever company earns more profit, they can take the wise decision through the management. They can keep aside the part of the profit as the reserve, as the retain, to utilize that amount in the future. A prudent company, smart company, does not distribute the entire profit earned among the shareholder. That means company never given the whole profit amount to their shareholder. They give them a part of the profit, and the remaining amount can be used for the reserve fund for the future requirement. A part of profit is retained by the company in the form of reserve fund. So whatever left with the company as the retained amount, that is in the form of reserve fund. These reserves are retained earning of the company, और यही reserves क्या होते हैं, आपकी retained earning बोली जाती है. The sum total of retained earning get accumulated over the year. That means the reserve will be more year by year. Your accumulated profit will be added year by year. This accumulated profit are reinvested in the business rather than distributed as dividend. That means retained earning, reserve amount can be utilized in the business as the reinvested amount, and that is never distributed to the shareholder as the dividend. Next paragraph. The management can convert retained earning into permanent share capital. Management means board of director. Board of director can take the wise decision to convert your retained earning into the permanent capital through the issuing of the bonus share. That means if you want to convert your retained earning into the permanent capital, you have to issue the bonus share. Bonus share to whom? To the equity shareholder. It is an important source of the raising long term capital. तो ये क्या है आपका long term investment का one of the way. It is simple and cheapest method of raising financing for the company. It is used by established company. It is an internal source of finance. So that means company's sources is divided into the two parts, internal and external sources of the financing. So retained earning comes into the internal of sources of financing, and it is the part of the on capital. Next slide. Retained earning. Retained earning related to what? Instead of distributing the entire profit to the shareholder, company retain some profit for the purpose of what? We have already discussed these things in the paragraph, but we are discussing in the point so you people can understand. You people can keep these points at the time of the learning of retained earning. For the purpose of what? Accumulation of the earning. That means earning को आपको save करना है, accumulate करना है. Next point, investment in the fixed assets. Retained earning amount can be also utilized to investment in the fixed asset. Fixed asset, whenever you have required fixed assets, you can invest it your retained earning amount to meet the working capital requirement. We already know that working capital requirement is the day-to-day operation requirement. So whenever you need the funding for the working capital for the operation of the business, you can utilize the retained earning amount. You can utilize the reserve amount of the company. Merits of the pluffing back of profit. Retained earning के profit है. This topic is not given in the textbook, but to understand the meaning, how the retained earning is useful with the different terms, we are just giving an example. Merits from the retained earning towards the shareholder, towards the society. So towards the shareholder, 1 point, appreciation in shares value. So being an equity shareholder, retained earning क्या करता है? आपकी share value को बढ़ाता है. Bonus share, retained earning can be utilized to distribute your bonus share to the equity shareholder. Regular dividend मतलब regular profit distribution to whom? To the shareholder. So regular distribution can be given through the retained earning if you have a less earning. So security value, that means whenever you invested in the company as the shareholder, retained earning can be also utilized to given the investment amount to the shareholder. Now what is the benefit as a retained earning towards the society? Towards the society, that means first point, increase capital formation. You need the capital formation, you want the capital, तो capital क्या करता है? Formation करता है, society के लिए भी create करता है. Help speedy development. Development possible है if you have a reserve amount. बेनिफिट टू द कस्टमर, कस्टमर को मिल सकता है whenever they want their money back, whenever they want dividend, that amount can be utilized and society can grow up. Social welfare of the society activity, social welfare activity can be also happen through the reserve amount, through the retained earning. Now the merits towards the company as a retained earning. So there are so many merits. We have taken some small points so you can understand. Economical term में it is helpful. Efficiency and productivity can be also improved through the retained saving. Confidence of the shareholder. Why the confidence can be increased? If you have a reserve fund, if you have a saving, that amount can be utilized in any happening. So shareholder are confident their amount is safe with the company, so they can invest more amount with the company. Enhance creditworthiness, less financial risk कम हो जाता है. Repayments of debenture and terms loan, that means instead of the shareholder you have other borrowers also, those who give the amount to the company like debentures, bondholder, depositors, banks, institutions. So repayments can be possible through the retained earning. Reduce the reliance, help expansion and diversification. If you want to increase your business, expand your business, you want to diversify, then retained amount can be utilized. Help automation and modernization. We already know that we people are living in the modern society, so there is a requirement to improve your business also. So retained amount, reserve amount can be utilized to automation and the modernization and the business. Used to meet the working capital requirement. Working capital requirement is related to your day-to-day requirement. So retained earning is also helpful. Retained earning is one of the advantage to fulfill your working capital need. Follow a stable dividend policy. That means stable policy for profit given to the shareholder can be possible if you have a good retained earning amount, if you have a good reserve funds with the company. That amount can be utilized to given the dividend to your equity shareholder, to the shareholder, to the investor with the stable rate of interest. Freedom to take their own decision. So you are free to take your own decision if you have a free reserve amount in the company. So I hope you people can understand the meaning of the retained earning. Retained earning, over and all, you can say that it is the safe amount, reserve amount with the company to utilize that amount whenever you have a requirement for the funding. So what we have learned in this video, we have learned about the retained earning meaning and their uses. Remaining topic related to your lesson number 2, we will continue in our next video. Thank you for watching.